We'll guide you through how to add Spotify to Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial today, simply open your Spotify desktop application or log into the Spotify web player in your browser. Search carefully for the specific song, album, podcast, or custom playlist that you truly want to showcase on your Notion page. Once you have successfully found your desired audio track, hover your mouse cursor directly over the title. Right-click on the title, scroll down the pop-up menu, and hover your mouse cursor safely over the Share option. From the secondary sub-menu that suddenly appears, click exactly on Copy Song Link or Copy Link to Playlist. A small notification will pop up at the bottom of your Spotify screen, confirming that the link has been safely copied to your computer clipboard. Now that the link is saved to your clipboard, smoothly switch your browser tab to the Notion web app quickly. Press Login and successfully enter your personal credentials to access the main Notion application perfectly. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Notion interface. Click the plus Add a Page button and choose the Empty Page option now. On the header, let us change the title first. For one example, I will name this page How to Add Spotify to Notion. Click on an empty line in your workspace to create a new, active block cursor smoothly. Right-click on the empty block and select Paste, or press the Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac key combination on your standard keyboard. The moment you paste the Spotify link, Notion will automatically detect the media URL and pop up a small floating menu instantly. Look at this floating menu and click the specific option that clearly says Paste as Embed. Wait just a couple of seconds for Notion to process the link and communicate with the Spotify servers seamlessly. An interactive mini Spotify player will render directly inside your new Notion document. Hover your mouse over the edges of the newly created widget and use the thick black drag handles to resize the player box to your own liking. You can now click the play button right inside Notion to listen to a 30-second preview while you work happily and productively every day.